guys, this is Gabriella Ryan from calmerlifestyles.com. Guys, today I'm going to talk about how to get a girl using reverse psychology. What if I told you that there is a psychological trick that guys can use to make any girl go crazy for you and fall in love with you before you go on 2 dates? Men think that women are rationally complicated, but we're not. Our mind is just full of emotions, and if you tap into that, you can hypnotize any girl to fall in love with you. Here are 5 reverse psychology tricks that will make you get a girl. Hit and retreat. I have to say, this one works like magic and will help a guy if you're targeting a girl walking or hanging out with her friends. The idea is to confuse her mind emotionally and to this tactfully. Approach a group of girls and greet them, but put some emphasis on your target. Whether it's holding her hand longer by a moment, don't make it look creepy, or grinning at her, then after that ignore you ever did it. Talk to her friends, ask them questions, and act like you are no longer interested in her. What does this do? It will make her want to join the conversation and try to impress you. If she does, then you know you've won the lottery. Take her number and get your rewards. Guys, you can buy Calmer Lifestyles ebook Dating Guide for Men by clicking the link below in the description section, or you can click the card above and it will take you there. The ebook covers all important strategies, including meeting, approaching and attracting beautiful women. And it will also show you how to make quantum leaps in your social skills and help to increase your ability to get dates and attract the girls you have always desired. Deep eye contact. Stare at her with a silver grin. Look deep at her and she will go crazy wanting to know what is so fascinating on her face. The trick is not to overdo it or you'll look like a creep. Apply the triangle rule when you look at her left eye, then her right, and settle on her lips. You can also focus on the area between her eyes, and this will give her subconscious mind that you are seeing inside her. Without knowing, she will start loving that you connect with her even without the use of words. Play hard to get. A girl knows she's beautiful and many guys hit on her, so you have to be different. Don't be too needy like the many guys who try too hard to get her attention. Make her chase for your consideration. And you can do this by being scarce. The law of scarcity is a reverse psychology tactic that may just work for you. The trick here is to friend zone her, and trust me, she will go nuts. She will ask herself so many questions like, who does this guy think he is to friend zone me? If she keeps thinking of you, then you know you're close to her heart. Make them feel you're impossible to get, and this will lead to an opposite effect of them wanting to get you. Crush her ego. Let's face it, as beautiful women, we have a bitchy side that is full of ourselves and can't even give a guy a minute to talk to us. So if you get a chance to have a date with such a lady, the reverse psychology tactic of winning her heart is bringing her ego down. It's not about making her feel worthless or killing her self-esteem, but more about taking her down the pedestal that she stands on. For example, telling her something like, I'd like you more without the makeup you have on. It's a cocky move. It implies you don't like the way she looks currently, but she could go a step in getting rid of the makeup for you and you would openly like her. Truth be told, she may get angry, but very few people recognise her such things, and this will turn her on and mess with her mind. Those are some of the few tactics you can use to make her fall in love with you using reverse psychology. Also, have in mind that being unpredictable in both ways of speech and action is a complete turn on to us. Gents, that's all from me today. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. You can buy our ebook Dating Guide for Men by clicking the link in the description below. And of course, if you simply like my video, then please share, comment, like and subscribe. I'm Gabriella Ryan and I will see you next time.